Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. We have some paints left over from my third planter pour. Since these are already mixed up, I was going to do another pour today, but then I thought, hey, there's something we haven't done yet, so let's give a dip. We're going to dip. We're going to give that a try today. I'm using a canvas I've used before, obviously. I liked it when I first did it, but when it dried, all the white, once again, separated and looked kind of, I don't know, curdled almost. Now I used another canvas from the same pour, and it had pretty big specks or blobs dried in it, and I didn't do anything about that before I poured over it. And sure enough, when the new pour dried, it showed those same specks sticking up, which was unfortunate. So this time, before I decided to use this canvas to re-pour on, I took a bit of fine grit sandpaper and I sanded all the blobs and bits off. So it is flat and smooth now. So we're going to cover it up with other paint, and we're going to do a dip. I marked the space off that was just sitting in. And now let's put some paint on our spot. These are super thick. I may end up with enough paint to do a pour anyway. I mixed up so much for that third planter pour. Let's see, what can I put there? I was going to do thin lines. They aren't exactly turning out that way, but that's all right. We'll just wing it. That's one of my superpowers. We'll just wing it. See how it goes. This purple looks so pretty when I mixed it up, but it looked almost black on the planter. So I think if I have any left over after today's dip, and I want to do another pour with it, I will add some white to it to lighten it up, turn it into a real violet instead of such a deep purple. And let's just cycle through all those colors again. There we go, another blob. Okay, and now, because I'm all about the swirls, you know, let's have some fun. That looks good. Okay. Here we go. See what happens. Now I'm trying not to smush all the colors together, obviously, but at the same time I want to get them on the canvas. I don't want to be left with paint gaps. So we'll just try try our best to flatten all parts of the canvas. And here we go. Ooh. Well, except for the middle part, which I didn't get. That looks glorious. Let's see. We can... Also seen people do balloon kisses at this point, which is something else we can try. Yeah, that's sort of a mess. And I'm half tempted to try dipping again. I know this, I run the risk here of muddying things up completely, but you know what? Let's just go for it. I think we had so much air under it the first time. All right, let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. What do you think, folks? That is so bright and happy and pretty. I love it. You see, all right? Lovely. Okay, well I tell you what, I'll come back and show it to you when it's dried. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to dip the sides while I'm here. There we go. All right, I'll put this aside somewhere. Didn't think this part through. It's another one of my superpowers. Not planning ahead as well as I should. Okay, here is our beautiful dip. I wanted to take you down so we could get a quick close-up here. This is what I'm calling now the lower right corner. That may change. I may change the orientation once it dries. Upper right corner. It's along the top. It's so pretty. Upper left corner, and then down the left side. To the lower left corner. And here's the whole thing. Very pretty. I actually think the dip spot is pretty pretty too. All right, we'll come back tomorrow and take a look at how it all dried. Thanks, folks. Hey everybody, we're back the next morning. The painting has dried, our first dip, and I really, really like this. It's so bright and pretty. This paint, since I mixed it myself, does not have the gloss that some of the ready mix ones do, and that's okay. I love this enough that I am going to wait a couple weeks for it to cure, and I'm going to put a coat of resin on it, and I think it will be absolutely gorgeous. So happy about how this turned out. Stay safe, everyone. Stay healthy. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.